orange this time. Ooh! Maybe? Now put that in. Don't put that on your hands. You're more interested with the spoon than what's on the spoon. Come on. Want to try? No. Really not even sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are so good though. What? You don't like the sweet potato? Not at all? Okay, let me try an experiment.